Welcome to this class. I'm excited to guide you through one of the most important skills for growing a kid's YouTube channel, creating thumbnails that instantly capture attention and make people want to click. Many creators spend hours editing videos, adding music, animations, and effects, but their videos still receive very few views. Often, the problem is not the video itself. The real issue is the thumbnail. Think about this for a moment. Imagine a parent scrolling through YouTube with their child. Hundreds of videos appear on the screen at the same time. Bright cartoons, colorful animals, smiling characters, giant letters, glowing effects. Everything is competing for attention. In less than 2 seconds, the viewer decides what to click. That decision is usually based on one thing, the thumbnail. This is why thumbnails matter so much on YouTube. A thumbnail acts like the cover of a book or the poster of a movie. Before people watch your content, they judge the visual first. If the thumbnail looks exciting, fun, emotional, and clear, viewers become curious. Curiosity creates clicks. Successful kids channels understand this extremely well. If you look at channels that consistently generate millions of views, you will notice patterns immediately. The thumbnails are usually simple, colorful, emotional, and easy to understand even without reading the title. For example, many viral kids' thumbnails use huge facial expression. A surprise cartoon character with wide eyes instantly creates emotion. Bright yellow backgrounds create excitement. Large, colorful toys create curiosity. Everything is designed to trigger an emotional response very quickly. One creator shared that after redesigning only the thumbnails on their educational kids channel, their average views increased dramatically within a few weeks. The videos themselves did not change. The only thing that changed was the visual package. Instead of small text and dull colors, they started using bold fonts, stronger contrast, smiling characters, and cleaner layouts. Their click-through rate improved almost immediately. This brings us to an important concept called CTR, or click-through rate. CTR simply measures how many people click on your video after seeing it. Imagine YouTube shows your thumbnail to 1,000 people. If 100 people click, your CTR is 10%. A stronger thumbnail usually leads to a higher CTR. And when YouTube notices that people are clicking your videos often, the platform begins recommending those videos to more viewers. In simple terms, a great thumbnail tells YouTube people are interested in this. That is why thumbnail design is not just decoration. It is part of the growth strategy of every successful YouTube channel. Kids' thumbnails work differently from thumbnails made for adults. Children react strongly to emotion, movement, contrast, cute characters, and recognizable shapes. They love oversized objects, expressive faces, glowing effects, and bright, playful colors. A thumbnail filled with too much detail or complicated information usually performs poorly because kids process visuals very quickly. A strong kid's thumbnail often answers 3 questions instantly. What is happening?